Hi, we're going to introduce the snipping tool, and that's a tool that I can open up from the taskbar. It's very similar to the print screen button. I'm going to come down here to lower left, click, then type in SNIPP, snipping tool. Click on that, open it up. Now I can go ahead and I have some options on how I can share some content with my professor in college or through somebody through email. It's a good workaround if you can't share a document with somebody for some reason or another. This is what I included in an email to you all. So I just went new, and then I go ahead and draw a window on what I want it to capture. And then I have some tabs up here. I could use a highlighter and say, what are the goals of the week? Make sure you're looking there. Edit, copy it. It does automatically copy it to your clipboard, which is great. And then you could save it as well. And I believe it default saves as a JPEG. So that's another good thing to have in your back pocket. So that's the snipping tool. We'll use it to document some things. If you ever have tech issues, it also helps if you send a snapshot of your screen and what you see, just in case things are different from the teacher to the student end. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it.